Hello everybody, MiloCats here and welcome back to Superhot. Now, it has been a while since I've uploaded everything, if you have noticed. And the reason for that is because the way I had my recording set up, it was very... Wait. Okay, good. Didn't restart. It was very awkward. Alright, so... Oh gosh, it is still awkward. It's been a while since I've played this. Alright, there's no sprint. Wait, I'm still coming. Yeah. I remember that part though. It's been a while. Give me this. Very sensitive. I gotta like turn that down maybe. No! Oh. Yay, gun. Thank you. They never saw it coming. No, they did not. Including this. No, I'm not gonna waste my ammo. Hello, butter. Alright, what's the jump button again? Okay. Hello. Who told you to pick that up? Oh, apparently he did. No. Alright, let's do this again. Alright. Is it right trigger? No, right trigger doesn't do anything. It's... Oh, it's just an itty bitty hole now. Hello. Bam. Where's the next guy? Is this an alley? Wait. No? Oh, they spawn right here. Okay, got it. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting, they'll all see. Nah. Yeah. Whoa. Dang it, I wish there was duck mechanic. Hey, inside job. I know. I'll be beating you with a crowbar when I come. I'll be now shooting you with a gun when I come. Pow. Oh, come on, I swear I got out of the way. Alright, let's do this. Pow. 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 Whoa. Pow. Give. Pow. Reload. Hello. Pow. No, they did not. Very good observation. Did that hit me? I swear it didn't hit me. I swear. Boy, you better not be lying to me. Oh, right in the butt. Ooh. Ah, shoot, why did I give away my weapons? What killed me? Nothing. Alright. This. Your head explodes. Your head explodes. You give me this. I chuck this at you. I die. Come on. I have to pass this. It takes a while to get used to. Your head explodes. Your head explodes. Give me this. I chuck this at you. I jump away, and you didn't die. So now I have to kill you. And then we go over here. We do a little bit of bang. I never saw it coming. We wait for the next guy. We go bang. And whoa! Ah! No, out of ammo. Ah. Yeah, what's behind me? Nothing. Just you. Just you. Yeah. You guys are... Sorry. Right. Oh, it is right trigger as well. I think. Yeah. It is. Oh. It's that guy right there. I'm going straight for him after I killed him. And I go for you. And I go... Okay. I didn't see anyone hit me that time. I know I'm usually grabbing a crowbar, but I'm tired of this crap. Matrix. But, you never saw it coming. Bang. Or maybe you did. Yeah, you did. How about you? You still here? Yeah, but you never did see him come. Death is upon us. Alright. Poo, poo, poo. Ba-da-ba, poo. Ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-da. Woo! Poo. Escape. And we go over here. We do a ski lap. I see you. Ow. Give me. Alright, now I'm protected. No one shall ever kill me. Pooh, pooh. Die. Wow, what's this? To the left. To the left. Okay. Should have it now. Let's see. Let's see if my memory skills are correct. 1, 2, 3. Pick it up. Throw. Jump. Miss the gun. Punch. Where's the gun? There's the gun. Pick up gun. Come over here. Shoot. Come over here. Shoot. Miss. Run. Jump. Come over here. Jump. Die. Restart. Pop. 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 Ski up. He's usually not accurate. The one time he is. Alright. Boop. Yup. Yep. Oh, this is a lot harder than I remember. Maybe if I actually grab this crowbar. Yeah, that might be easier. See? See? He likes it. No. What is this? Give me. You didn't die. Now you, on the other hand. Yeah. Hello. Oh. Alright. Grab you. Hulk smash. Come back here. Smash. Grab. Somehow break that. Hello. Okay, that broke this time. How? I hear a truck running. Oh, wait, why was I in a truck? Never saw it coming, I know that. Ah, there's the AK. Haha. Alright. Ah, au contraire, little friend. You is dead. And you is dead. Did I win? No. Did I win now? No. Shoot. Oh, stupid. Alright, give. Punch. Punch. Give. Chuck. Norris. Punch. Fling gun at. Hello? Are those TVs? Thought I killed you. Alright, give. Ka. Pa. Ka. Sock. What is it now, dudes? What about good? That made no sense. Oh, it's mocking me for being quote unquote good at the game. I thought I killed you. Accurate. Yeah, I didn't see it coming either. Ugh. Pop. Come over here, pop. Chuck this. Pop. Hello. Nice weather we're having. All you had was a pistol. Gosh, dang it. Hello. Give me this. Ah, nuts. Give gun to me? Whoa. Hello. 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 Come on. Hit him. No. They did not, nor did I. Ugh. I have some good line of defense here, bucko. I hit your forehead. Why'd you hold your stomach like you got? What is this room? Nothing, apparently. Just nothing. Just punch first. Oh, really? Ah! Bad choice. Oh, it's magic. You know. This is probably copyright. Hello. Pop. Why don't I just stay right here? Oh, see, you're still here. So if I just grab this and just point it directly at him, you know, it depends if I can aim properly. I never saw it coming. Yes, they did. I have an automatic right here. Uh-oh. Hello? Oh, jeez. I'm violent, but I'm scared at the same time. Nuts. Okay. Just. What's that noise? Come on. Hello. No ammo. Rock call. Bull on that. Alright, give me this. Pow. Pow. I wonder how high I could chuck this, actually. Let's see. Well, apparently not very high, because why? Because keeps just breaking in midair. Hello. Thank you. Thank you for your generous offering. This will be sold to charities all over the world. Like you, young sir. Do you want to donate? Thank you for donating. Okay. Okie dokie. Alright. I will be surprised if I can do this with just a pistol. Which I can't. Why? Because I'm gonna run out of ammunition. Hello. Nuts. I did it. Did I do it? Did I do it? Yes! Hot. Super hot. 297,000 deaths later, finally completed it. Oh, that was really hard. Uh-oh. When will you learn? What did that say? Didn't read it, I was looking away. Shoot me. Shoot me. Look, I'll eat that now. I ate it. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright, what does it say? It says, dang, dog. I knew, right? Ooh. You all seem to be having some fun trying to shoot me. It's gonna be really hard, I can tell. Die, dog. No, thank you. And don't call me dog. Oh, it's just you shooting. This is easy. Nope, 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 nope. Spoke too soon. Oh, always move out of the way. Good dog. Wait. I supposed to die? Okay. You don't belong here. Yeah, I don't. They're all red and I'm black. Okay, that sounds really racist. Pop. Pop. And one more smack. Hey, look. I want to thank my mom, my dad, my sister, my uncle, and you most of all. Ow. You hurt my feelings. I just won the Dogsters. It's like the Oscars, but you know. You can use it in a way that is not copyright, like you, youngster. And you. Ooh, I feel powerful. Hello? Oh. Oh, nuts. Wait! Scooby! Wasabi. Dude, I hope you guys like some wasabi. I don't know why, but it just sounds cool and I. Oh, a poo! Watch your six. Oh, nuts. Ah! Hello, police. I have a problem. It's pretty big, actually. Nope, never mind. I solved it. Oh, come on. I just got an AK. Hot. I get it. I know. You just took it out of the oven. What are you supposed to? I gotta read that. Hang on. Elevator pitch. Yeah, it's nice. Ooh. Yeah. Wanna see some poo? Woo! Alright, so kill the ones with the gun. Kill the one. Or just knock the gun. Well, I can't even do that. Oh my gosh. Do I just hop around? Yeah, I guess that's how. That works. Oh yeah, it does work. See? Ah! Stay there. Oh shoot, I didn't know that you guys had shotguns. Can we be friends here? Just so you know. I take Pilates, yeah. No, shotgun! That's a lie, I don't take Pilates. I just sounded good. Alright, I'm gonna try to complete no plot. No reason for anything. Just killing red guys. 'Tis true. You don't know what you're doing. No, I do not. See, when you watch closely. A to receive. Receive what? Oh. You're watching. You're home. No. Oh, this is kind of cool. Dooba dee ba boo ba dee ba boo ba dee ba boo ba dee ba boo ba. We're watching. Boop you. Deep. This is only your body. This is only your mind is here with us. That's weird. Try to disconnect. This menu. What if we don't let you? Oh, what? I'm pressing. Could you keep? We could keep you here forever. I'm pressing the menu, but it won't let me go. Let's have a little chat. Oh, I disconnected. Incoming message A to reply. Alright. This is not a game. Quit. while you can. Okay, I get it. That's it. I didn't know. I'm sorry? Question mark? Clearly you are not. You are ruled by your pride. Promise you won't launch Superhot.exe again. I won't say the exact words. I won't launch Superhot.exe again. Good. Chat ended. Alright. Well, I think I'm gonna leave this episode here. Where are the settings? Apps. Carpets.exe, cartrip.exe, gg or ggroups.exe, demos, cellular wires, games, VR.exe, cube.exe. I'm not gonna mess with these. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this episode here. If you liked it, please consider watching more Milo Cats, and I will continue this in the next video. This is Milo Cats, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.